My name is Rabia Munayar, civil engineer. I assist Dr. Saad Thomas in this project, and he's Mr. Ali. We are doing this project, it's about 31 kilometers long. We are making it at a high quality because now, if you see, the road is being pulverized with a special machine brought from Germany for this purpose. It pulverized the 20 cm of the soil, sometimes 30 cm, it depends. Then we add cement and we mix the cement. This way it will become very rigid and very strong. It will give you many years ahead, maintenance free. And what we are doing is we are removing all the median inside. We are putting a uniform median along all the road. Okay, it's 65 cm high. So what we are doing now is also calibrating the road, because sometimes you have difference of levels between this side and this side. We are putting it on one alignment, because sometimes you have the alignment is like this, so we're putting straight, and we're regulating the levels. So both the sides would be the same. Even sometimes we will face some challenges about the slope, because for the drain, for the water to go out when it rains, but we are fixing it on the ground, depending on the side drains and the culverts. So this way the road will live, the lifespan, it will be longer than now, much longer, because the cement mixing gives it strength. We regulate. We do the slopes. We put stone base. Then we add 2 layers of asphalt, binder and wearing, as per the specs and for the BME. 6 cm of binder, then 4 cm of wearing course after compaction, as per the BME. This way it will live much longer.
As you can see, this road is a road linking to Orlu. I must use this video to say thank you to His Excellency Senator Hope Osodema for the good work he has been doing in Imo State. Honestly, I must confess, this is second to none in Imo State. We have never seen this kind of work before. Before now, this road has been a road that former governors have been using for politics, but we have not seen anything. Honestly, what Craneburg construction company is doing here is massive. This kind of construction work, I have never seen it in Imo State. I must say thank you to His Excellency for a promise fulfilled.
My
name is Wisdom Obinna, and I'm from this community. I'm very, very happy and excited for the construction of the road. The name of this village is Umotetuo in Ubomrim Bitoli, local government, Imo State. For years now, this road has been abandoned by so many governments. Erosion has been disturbing us.